Don't do this. Hey, look where you're going. Oh, no. This is a Moto Stars videos. Let's take a look.
That the driver finally managed to
Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Swerve. Great job with the swerve. He accelerated into the swerve. Navigated that whole situation. Let's turn down the music just a little bit. We're coming up to here. It's an intersection, so it's automatic orange stage. We're prepped and ready. If you don't know what we're talking about, it's the color code chart that we use here, the MTC awareness stages. And that's Unit 1 of the MTC Rider Academy. We see the pattern right here, that side of the vehicle. It's a nice long bed truck.
to spot him and
As soon as we see that this person is probably wanting to turn left, so he wants to get over here, they're not turning into the first available lane. They're going to cut all the way across. We as motorcyclists have to do something, okay? So we're planning our ride. We position for safety. We're in this far left lane, located, assessing. Yes, it is a relevant threat. We have to navigate. It's the active threat. And swerve. We have to get into our escape path. Thankfully, we have a nice escape path off to the left, and we can do what we need to do. And it's accelerate through it and get around it. Very good. Very good. Yavorsky, open lane pattern. Either accelerate through or brake. Okay, so it's an open lane pattern because of that bus is in the way. We are getting into this lane too. They want to move over. It's just a matter of moving over and switching lanes. We could have applied good progressive braking on that one, or we could have accelerated through instead of just kind of like both slowing down and getting close to each other. Get away. Be mobile. We're on motorcycles. We can do stuff. We're agile. The Noble Gamer going to get a Cardo. Yeah. Okay, what do we got here? Side of the vehicle. Accelerate, do something. So lots of braking. We could have utilized a little bit of engine braking and the actual brakes if we just rolled off the throttle and not pulled in the clutch. Could have downshifted to help out with that. But either way, it's not pretty, but it worked. Didn't crash. All right, Pete Lewis.
example of the
We've seen this one.
likes to play
Don't care. She doesn't like lane splitters or lane filters. He didn't do anything wrong. Hey, whoa, four-way stop. My turn. Actually, no, it's not your turn. It's not even a four-way stop. What do we... I'm assuming it's a four-way stop. They have a stop sign. It looks like there's a stop sign right there. I'm assuming it's a four-way stop. So the Jeep turns. It's his turn. It's his turn. Do people not know how to do four-way stops anymore? The person to the right of you goes. So if you go, okay, if we both show up at the same time and there's somebody to your right, the person to the right goes. But if you're already going, the next person is to your right that gets to go. The next person to their right gets to go. The next person to their right gets to go. This is a bad choice. Post that. New rider struggles. Okay. You don't need to turn it off.
I know. Get off. Yeah.
You had your side stand down. So he stalled. Does he have his side stand down?
I know. Get off. Yeah.
I have a feeling his side stand went down, and on side stands there's a kill switch on some of these bikes. Definitely on KTM's. Definitely. There you go. So when he had the side stand, I think he put his side stand down, and it acted as a kill switch because there's the electrical component in there. And so then he can't figure it out what's going on because I hear him put the side stand up. So it's a lot of stuff going on here. This is why you need to know your bike and motorcycle familiarization, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Or I'm sorry, Unit 3, Lesson 1 at the MTC Rider Academy, Basic Smart Rider. We talk about this. Whoa, you ran a stop sign, dude.
All right. 2. Camera.
I know.
Whoa.
I know. Come on.
do this. Hey, look where you're going. Oh, no.
¡Ey! ¿Por qué te demoraste tanto, marica?
Ay, qué pena, qué pena.
¡Lleva la lechuga!
Aquí está.
Ah, pues. Eso, vea. Tomen necesita.
What a way to turn to a crash into really good content. So William whatever your name is, great job with this. Not very good with the cornering. High mechanism of injury. So he's not hurt then. That would hurt. Unless he took that content from somebody else and then turned it into this. That's amazing stuff. But high mechanism of injury. High mechanism of injury.
¡Ey! ¿Por qué te demoraste tanto, marica?
Ay, qué pena.
Amazing job. Love the content. That was great. That was definitely great. All right, guys, we got red stage. So when it comes to a hazardous situation, we recognize that there is one. We're planning our ride. We have to now navigate something. So going to intersection corners, it's going to be more of an orange stage situation. But the moment there's like a pothole, road surface hazard, a car coming out, anything inside of the vehicle, they're in your lane, you have to do something. That's when we go into red stage. It's an accident avoidant mode, basically. So we're going to swerve, we're going to brake, or we're going to accelerate. We're going to do a combination. We're going to do whatever it is we need to do. We're going to juke these people. We're trying to get away from things. We don't want to hit anything. That's the whole point of going into red stage. So the stages are going to be more of a mental awareness thing. So yellow stage, we're kind of prepped and ready. We're just kind of zoned in, relaxing. Orange stage, a little bit paranoid. We're looking for things. And then red stage, we're going. Okay, it's just going to get us in that mindset. But when red stage, we're actively doing something. We're trying to get away from things. So once again, we talk more in depth on this at the MTC Rider Academy. This is Unit 1. Let's go ahead and get going. Samuel Mora. Oh, don't low side or go off the road. There it is. Ooh, another person doing that same thing. So we were starting to go a little bit too fast. The red stage situation in that one, when we're planning, is to roll off the throttle. We need to be slowing down on these turns, guys. Okay, we're going into orange stage here
Focus enough on the road.
because it's an intersection.
Anything can happen there.
Almost went off road. So nighttime riding, a little bit dangerous, a little bit scary. Oh, somebody dumped it. Oh, because there's a road surface hazard. There was a road surface hazard. What was in the road? This is one of those things that when you're riding at night, you can't see these things until it's last second. This is why you wear gear. What was that? Is that a tree branch? Do you see how you didn't see it? And I know it's all pixelated because of the camera, but you see him hit it. It's like, oh no. So he's going to reach for the brakes and now we see it. So this is where we have to be it's a tree branch. It looks like, yeah. So now we're going to have to swerve, but we don't have enough time to swerve. That's pretty freaky. That could do some damage. That's a lot of damage. All right, here we go. Looks like Florida. Okay, intersection, side of the vehicle, going through. Okay, we handled it. We moved on. We could accelerate through the intersection to avoid a little bit more of that. That's fine. We did good.
Say you were over 6.
Al, the Scottish biker.
This situation was entirely avoidable. He made a number of mistakes.
Okay, sharp right turn coming up ahead.
Was the main reason for the fall.
Didn't have a totally short leg.
Oh, going a little bit too fast in the corner. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Oh, high side. A little bit of a high side. But you see the road surface? Look at the road surface.
For the fall.
So he's trying to find those positions,
Totally short leg.
but we weren't really paying attention to the road itself. We were kind of talking, we're doing our thing, but we need to be able to navigate this, and slowing it down is going to be the biggest thing here. Okay, that's why we're in orange stage when we're going through corners, because we are looking for these road surface hazards. We're modulating our speed to match the environment. We're doing whatever it is that we need to do to actually make the turn. And usually it's too much speed is what's going to cause us to go off the road. So too much speed for the environment. Now, you can have the same speed if you have higher skill level, but now you're asking to have your skill level modulate this. You're going to have to get other skills because you can't control this. We can just control this. What do we got here? Oh, almost got hit. Whew. Whoa, cutting the corner, dude. Don't be cutting the corner like that. He's gonna check his pants now.
Yeah.
So you saw this one. It's like a bag or
Another way.
a to-go bag. Almost dumped the bike, talking on our cardos. All right, Florin Moog. We got, whoa, somebody passing on a blind corner. Not very smart. Good job with this rider finding that escape and navigating it by switching over. Very good. R1 Revy, or R1 Ray. Hey, recognized the hazardous situation, applied good progressive braking, allowed that person to come in because they would have lost no matter what. Go ahead and tell them how dumb they are after the fact. That's perfectly fine with me, as long as you got yourself safe in the first place. Quad lock is a phone mount. Get yourself a vibration dampener, but I like to put my phone on the handlebars so that I can see the GPS, and we're just gonna move on. Did he do a wheelie afterwards? No, he's just speeding off like a loser. Oh, there's the wheelie. Anyways, Flying Scotsman, here we go. We're gonna turn right. Uncommon thing, we have somebody in our lane with headlights pointing towards us. Good job on recognizing that hazardous situation, allowing this person to navigate himself out of there, almost getting hit. Good job on this rider. All right, here we go. Kind of like outside of a residential neighborhood, so speed limits are kind of low for the most part. Got an idiot right there. What are you doing there? Let them in. Either let them in or accelerate out of there. Yeah, there you go. Get yourself out of there. You don't want to fight that battle. Yeah, people are going to be pissed. They don't want to admit that they were doing something stupid. Just ignore them. Their life sucks. All right, we're turning right. I think we've seen this one. Yeah, we did. Saw a car coming on my left. Okay. I feel like I've seen this one. I'm sure you guys are going to tell me in the comments. So then he's going to panic? Yeah, so he stopped and lost balance. Okay, so he applied the brakes, lost his balance. Everything just started falling apart. Let's move on. Cuban rider. Here we go.
Oh, no.
Somebody crashed. This is where we can rescue if you really wanted to, and you can pull over. So nice U-turn. Good job with the U-turn. Scott, you've seen this one already? Okay, so somebody's off the road. Everybody's wearing full gear. This is good. Where's the rider? The rider.
With a rope or something.
Okay, the rider seems to be doing fine.
Like that.
It's just gonna roll.
I didn't bring it today.
No. How'd you cut out so fast?
I drove it today.
So everyone's doing fine.
Hey, if we
That's
get
good.
strapped,
Yeah.
5 guys on it, we'll get that bike up here.
Yeah.
So you can get webbing and do a daisy chain.
The crash.
Keep it in a saddlebag. Have
It's
plenty
attached
of
to the frame, so.
definitely be able to do it. Tubular nylon. Yeah, that works out great.
Let's pull it, man. We got like 10 people here.
Nice beard. Yeah, you can easily pull it out if you wanted to. That's what she said. But we'll move on. If you guys want to watch it, go ahead.
Today.
HJC, okay, good helmet. Looks like he's doing everything he needs. Great vision on that helmet. Who's the person behind him, acting like an idiot? There's just so many impatient drivers. He's doing what he's supposed to be doing. It seems like he's keeping a good space cushion in front of him. Now he's got a good space cushion now. Okay, very good job, accurate Bob, handling it. Got an orange stage situation up ahead because it's an intersection. We're gonna lane filter and get right back in front of him. Saying a nice little hi, a little smart. Love it. Love it. Oh, he's doing it again. Doing it again. There's just people out there that do stupid things that you just gotta let them be in front of you. All right, lane filtering, high hazard situation. Are we gonna have an open lane pattern? We're gonna have somebody cut in front of us? There it is. Good job with the swerve. Good job with the swerve. So we have an open lane pattern. That lane is opening up. We're going to have to swerve out of the way. We had a little bit of a braking issue there, but that's fine. We were able to move out of that.
Thanks for watching till the end.
Very good. Motostars, thank you for sharing that video. But yeah, red stage. Guys, you got to get yourself out of there. Swerve, swerve, swerve. Brake, brake, brake. Or accelerate out. Find that escape path. I'll see you guys around.